Thick of wedding season right now, and I'm here to help you with your makeup needs. Whether you're a wedding guest or doing your own wedding makeup, this look will be for you. I already gelled my eyebrows with the Kosas Air Brow and outlined the bottom with the Kosas Brow Pencil. Carved out my brows with Westman Atelier. I'm just trying to save time here. I think of bridal makeup, I think of rosy tones and glowy skin, so that's what we're going for today. And this shade right here from the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes, starting at the edge and into my crease. I like to use full coverage concealer for my eye base because that's how you get the smoothest looking eyeshadow. Take the bone shade and blend right above that. This shade up top. I'm gonna keep this in like a V outer crease blend. Kind of adding a little bit more depth. I use fluffy brushes like this because I feel like they give the fastest, best blend. I don't love overly pink shadow, so I'm just going to take this shade and go right in my crease. This kind of gives like a rosy hint to it, which is what I'm going for. Tap that on my inner half right here. Look at the glitter in that holy. Kind of blend it into the shadow out here, but not all the way. I just don't want any lines. Lighter shimmer, I'm going to keep this in the inner corner for a little extra pop. Shine bright like a diamond. I'm never going anywhere without a wing, so I'm taking this dark brown shade. I'm gonna draw a really thin one, or so try. Your bottom lash line, go up, draw a line at the bottom, and then you connect those two lines together. I'm doing eyeshadow with wings because it gives it a little bit softer of a look. It doesn't make it sultry in my opinion. It kind of gives more doughy eyes. Smoke her out, sultry. If you keep her into thin and not blended out, she's more doughy. I don't know how it works, but it does. Tip and snatch and clean up the fallout if you got any. This is a cotton pad. It is almost 1 in the morning as I'm filming this, bear with me. Favorite wedding lash are the Ardell 425s. I have really good natural lashes, so I'm just gonna use mascara and some clusters. DoorDash Taco Bell and it's here. I'm so excited. Westman Atelier mascara. I love how these give you wispy, soft lash. Not fucking lying. I'm gonna have a little break here. Can't do shit without this cat trying to sit on my head mid-glams. This lash extensions in the style Natural. This is the eye look. I think it's very soft and it has a teeny bit of rosiness. I didn't go as much as I said I would. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. She's an OG and so beautiful. Trusty Merit Great Skin Serum. This will always leave you with such a beautiful glow. Lights aren't even picking up on how hydrating this is. Flawless Filter as a primer because I like really glowy makeup for this. If I had a lighter shade of e.l.f. Halo Glow, I'd use that because it's better. Here's my exploded, disgusting Patrick Ta foundation. So hydrating and glowy. I'm going to say that over and over again because that's what we're going for. Shade 7 Peachy Neutral, and it's such a good shade match for me. It's probably the best one I have right now. I like how it adds coverage, but it's not too much because you can still see like all my freckles through. Westman Atelier foundation stick under my jaw because I do like more coverage there. Helps your contour and everything else pop. NARS Soft Matte for the blemishes is undefeated. I will have this in my kit for the rest of my life. Rare Beauty Liquid Contour in Solace, such a good in-between contour and bronzer shade. It's really pigmented, but it does blend out beautifully. Oh, I kind of put a lot, whoopsies. Contour under my lip, and I blend my nose contour into my brow area right here. A little bit more of a natural type of finish look, I don't know. Blend it on top of my bridge and not like out here because that just makes my nose look wider. The Rhode blush in the shade Piggy. I want pinky cheeks today, so that's what we going for. Whatever your favorite color or blush is, okay? I just am in the mood for pink right now. Never go overboard like me. Just use your foundation brush to tap over it. Pretty much just go over everything to make sure there's not any harsh lines. It's the Kosas color corrector in pink and concealer together. Usually do this before foundation, but I kind of forgot, and I want to see if it works just as concealer. I kind of want to leave it like this. Snatching out my wing out here on the sides of my nose and kind of blend it out in this center part right here. I think I'm about to start my period. My whole like lower half of my body is aching. I don't know if I'm the only person that goes through that, but it's not a good feeling I'm experiencing right now. This Real Technique setting brush for my under eyes, I feel like it blends it out so fast and easy. Blend out the top of my nose concealer with my finger. It keeps it from like spreading all over everything we just contoured. A little bit more blushy before I set this. I'm gonna blend out the edge of my eyeshadow right here because I don't like how it's cutting off. I really think there's after a step you can't like go back and fix it. Makeup's very back and forth, so if you see something wrong, girl, go back in and fix it. Always even out your powder on your hand before you start to set. I'm gonna use the Kosas powder. Usually I do pressed powder then loose, but I don't want to take away too much of the glow we have. Setting the rest of my face with the Huda Glowish powder. Don't make this anymore, but I know Morphe came out with like their kind of version of this, so try that. Thinking of making a series on my YouTube called Master Classes with Mal. I get super annoyingly in depth on why I'm doing the things I'm doing because TikTok is just not long enough. My YSL bronzer to set those areas. House Labs highlighter in rose quartz as blush. Just gives you the best, softest glow. I haven't done glowy makeup in a while, so I feel like a little angel right now. I'm gonna wipe under my eyes with the same glowish powder. It really acts like a highlight. I love this stuff. If you have pores and texture, you might not like glowy makeup like this, and in that case, I have millions of matte tutorials on my page. I like to use it as like a highlight on my nose because it's so natural. Huda, if you see this, bring it back, ho. Oh my god. You're not a hoe, actually, I love you. The shade we used up here, just gonna blend that under my eyes really lightly. Top shimmer shade in the inner corner. A nude pencil, not white, to brighten your under eye. It's so much better and is way more natural looking than white. Then I'm gonna use this rosy shade and just drag that along the outer edge to bring some of those tones in there. I'm gonna go back in my crease with that shade to add some more of those tones in there because I'm really fucking with it right now. Forever Wherever Walnut is my favorite pinky nude shade ever. Ever. So creamy and it lasts a long time for a lip liner. Mario Super Shine Lip Gloss in Rosewater is my favorite lip gloss at the moment. It feels more like an oil rather than a gloss, which I love. Brown mascara on the bottom lashes for a little bit of a softer look. Boom, we are bad bitchified. Angel version. I would add the Patrick Ta Body Glow and setting spray, but I'm literally gonna wipe this off immediately and go to bed. I feel naturally stunning, and that was the goal here. So I hope this works for y'all and slay your wedding babes. Bye bitches.